What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and it's New Money Maker Mondays. And so today I'm bringing you this app. It's the Money app. You see here I have 444 points. I just got introduced to it. I've been using it, for a couple days now, just kind of playing around with it, seeing what you can do to make money with it. The person that brought it to my attention, they showed me payment proof and they told me I should sign up for it. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to show you guys some of the things you can do in here in order to make free points in your spare time. So they have these different offer walls that you can use, that you can go to. The first one, Fantastic Wall. A lot of them are just basically downloading apps and like reaching a certain level. They have free trials in here. You know what I'm saying? Like really just kind of scroll through and see if it's something that you're interested in, see if it's something that's easy, kind of play around with it. But basically everything in this little offer wall pays really well as far as the points. So I just recommend just kind of going through it and seeing what you can do. A lot of, like I said, a lot of them are very easy. If you go, you see there, fetch rewards, grocery receiving, savings, my bad. You just download, install, register, and scan a receipt. That's 640 points right there. You know what I'm saying? A lot of them you don't have to, pay for if you actually look through. They have so many different ones. Just kind of, like I said, just scroll through and kind of see if it's something that you're interested in, and if it's not, you can go to the next one because they have, multiple offer walls right here. Awesome offer wall. A lot of them are kind of offering the same thing, but again, they have new ones, here and there. So you just kind of, play around with it, just kind of find out, what's easy, what's something you're interested in, things like that. And again, you can actually, my bad, super offer wall, same thing. You know what I'm saying? Just lots of points offered. Just find what you like to do. Find something that you're interested in, make points. You pay very well. So, it got to be something there you can find that you like. You can also get paid to watch videos. You just click on it and then an ad will pop up and you just wait for the ad to finish and you get your points. So hold up, I'm waiting for this ad to finish real quick. And you see, as soon as the ad is done, you just click the X right here, exit out of it, and you'll be credited 2 points per video. You know what I'm saying? So there's an endless amount of videos that you can watch. I mean, you can really just make a lot of money just with the videos, and just doing that. And also, just if you go over here to hot offers, they'll show you some more things you can do with this app. Every day you can get 20 free points. You just click on this right here, and that will pop up. Wait for it to go off. 20 points every single day doing that. Right here, the popular offers that you can do, things a lot of people are doing. So, same thing, just try to find out what works for you. Just kind of scroll through. I mean, obviously all of these things, you want to be interested in, but, one here and there, you can really, stack up a lot of points. What I'm going to try to start doing is kind of going through this app, once a day to kind of watch some videos, do an offer or two, and move on to the next money making opportunity. You know what I'm saying? So like, you're not going to get rich with this app, but you can make a good decent amount of money, side money, if you really just put in a little effort here and there. You know what I'm saying? Like a guaranteed 20 points every day just by clicking on that. I'm not click on them because an ad will pop up and then I gotta wait for ad to finish. But now I'm gonna show you how you can get paid with this app. If I click on rewards, you see here you can get $5, $10, $20, and $50 with the amount of credits that they're offering. Not difficult to get. If you really just go through and do an offer or two a day, you can really get like $5 in like 1 or 2 days because you saw the amount of money they were offering per offer, and not to mention watching videos and things like that. So they'd offer PayPal. That's the only thing they have right now that's really good because PayPal is the main thing people want anyway. I'm sure as time goes on, they'll kind of add more things to more ways to cash out with more gift cards and Amazon, things like that. But definitely check it out. Download the app. You can actually get 200 free points if you type in this code. Let me show you that real quick. Let me go back over to the home page. If you use this code, invite friends, G2E6XU, you will get 200 free points. All right, so type in that code, get 200 free points soon as you sign up, and then just do what I told you. You just kind of go through an offer, watch a couple videos, what I'm saying? Of course, do the daily check-in, you get 20 points, and just let your, points balance, go up each day. Like I said, you're not going to get rich off of it, but it is, a good way to make, a good amount of money for you, so you can go out, do something for the weekend, things like that. So as many free opportunities that you can compile into your daily routine, the better off you'll be financially, and just making more money. So definitely add this to your routine. Like I said, the link will be in the description. Here's the code for an extra 200 free points, so that way you start out with something instead of starting off with 0 point. Start from the bottom, type in that code, get you some points, use the app, do offers, watch videos. This is a very good app. I'm having a lot of fun with it, in the 2 days that I've been using it. So, I recommend that you get involved with it as well, and, add it to your daily routine. All right. And so, like I said, it's New Money Maker Mondays. This is the Money app. Download it today, type in the code, and always remember, every penny counts.